Hey guys, my name's Christy and this is my Crafty Country. In today's video, I am going to be talking to you about Christmas trees. But before I do that, make sure before you leave you hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell so you get personally notified every time I upload a video. So now, with Christmas trees, the Dollar Tree's got it. They've got all kinds of trees, right? They have their small trees. I got a little bit of a mess going on over here. But they also have stuff that you may not think of as a tree. Like these styrofoam cones. I found many different cones that I was able to wrap in Greenery. I think this one's actually Walmart because I could not find these at the Dollar Tree at that time. But it worked out pretty good because then I got one from Walmart, one from Dollar Tree, made two. Perfect little buddy to go with it, right? Then I was able to find these and I wrapped these with Greenery and make a little Christmas tree, like a little bookshelf sitter or something. And then the other day I found these. I haven't wrapped one of these yet. I just got the one. So to be continued, I will be doing something with this. And I don't know if I'm going to use Greenery or if I'm going to use Christmas garland. So that is kind of one of the options I wanted to show you. With this one, I made this one the other day. And it's got fuzz on it from where I made the gnomes. This is out of one of these cones. It's a green one. Yeah, it's a green one. So all I did was I got the Greenery stems that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I think I have some. Why am I flashing? So this one is actually one of these cones that I got from Walmart. But like I said, you could do a smaller one, and my smaller one's in the other room. I used the smaller Dollar Tree cone. Turned out super cute. One of the wood plaques, a stick from outside, like branches that fell out of the tree. I just sawed off a piece of that. And then on the other one, I put some hot glue on this plaque and put moss around the bottom. But you could put gifts, you could put garland, maybe use some adhesive glue. Oh, that's an idea. Spray some of that adhesive glue on there and then throw that faux snow on it to have kind of like a little snowy hill under your tree. I might actually try that. If I do, I will include pictures at the end of the video. I have different garlands. I know Dollar Tree has all kinds of garland. These are just some I had on hand that I'm thinking about using. I absolutely love this one. And then this one I thought would work well because it's got the snowflakes. So let's get one of the cones out here. They have these at Dollar Tree, Walmart, everywhere. But this way it's actually more personal. You can pick whatever tinsel you want. And there's your little tree. Same thing. Let's get that one out of the way. Oh, I'm going to throw it on the floor, people. I absolutely love this garland. I don't know where I got it. I've still got like 2 packs of it. If I ever see it again, I will definitely pick it up because I think it's gorgeous. It's a good full garland. And you don't have to use the big fluffy ones like this. If you want your tree to be more skinny, you can get some of the more sparse garland, I guess, and then you just wrap it around and it wouldn't be as bushy, I guess what I'm saying. But look at that guy. Then now if I wanted it to be like have more of a point to the top, I could get like a stick or a piece of dowel rod and stick in the end of here to where it would come up and be a little bit skinnier to give me more of a treetop look. So we'll see. I'm going to be doing these this afternoon and I will include at the end of the video what they end up looking like. Okay. Oh, for the Greenery that you could wrap around those styrofoam cones, I actually use these. These are just the single stems you can get at Dollar Tree. Some of them are kind of scraggly looking, but if you find a good pack, you can find some that are pretty good. And you can tell just by feeling the pack. If it's a flat pack, that's going to be some janky Garland. Same thing with these. You could use this the same way. This is just the Garland ties. I can't find the end of it, but it's just one big wire of Greenery Garland. But it would wrap around one of those trees. Now I do recommend, if you do that with a cone, what I did, the styrofoam doesn't take hot glue well, right? I mean, it'll work, but it didn't want to do it all the time. So what I did is I took 2 of these stems and I laid one up at the top and one at the bottom, and then I proceeded to run like long ways, like 12 of them across, to where this one and this one hooked them all together, and then it was like just one solid sheet of Greenery. And then all I had to do was glue this piece and this piece up here to the actual tree, and it seemed to work out a little bit better. Less hot gluing to the actual cone rather than having to do each piece. You just kind of glue them all together and then get them on. Okay, that's not going back in the package right now. But after I did that, I took some white chalk paint, I think it was chalk paint, and just dry brushed all over the branches, and it looks really cute. You could also spray paint. I had one of these trees. Got my stuff everywhere here. Got one of these little Dollar Tree. This is 2 of their little trees that they have in the little red boxes. I put 2 of them together with some of those stems and just wrapped them together like I would pipe cleaners. And it gave more branches to it, and then I was able to spray paint this one and just dust all over it until your heart's content. And then I grabbed some of the little buffalo check bows that they have, like it's packs of 6, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah. And then they do sell fairy lights. I have never been lucky enough to find the fairy lights, but I have these that I ordered off of Amazon, and I thought they looked too cute. I'm still going to put some little ball ornaments on here, maybe some reds. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, that'll be at the end too. But that's just a way to make a cute little tree. And this was even from Dollar Tree too, so they have a cute little topper to go with it. Now, they have these tree collars. And I had never heard of tree collars before, but whatever. It's super cute. So, this tree collar goes around the base, right? This is one of the Dollar Tree floor dusters, the dust mop pads. I took it, let's see if I have enough hands to do this. I took the dust mop and just wrapped it around the base of the tree, and it was underneath the collar, obviously. And then I set the collar down on it, and it covers the base, and it gives it more of a little snow look to where you don't see the stem of the tree and the little plastic feet. And you could put anything down in there. You could get stuffing. You could put Greenery down in the bottom, like tissue paper, whatever. But I thought this was a cute little idea for the dust mops. Now, there you go. My bad. Okay. I use these dust mops. I got probably like 10 of them because on top of my bookshelf where I'm going to have that little tree, I'm going to line these up, and when you put them side by side, you can make them look like snow, like on the top of your shelf. So use some bottle brush trees, sit on them, some angels, whatever your Christmas decor is that you would put on your shelf. It's a cute little snowy look. Alright, to decorate my little cone trees, I forgot this part. I'm going to use some of these styrofoam balls, like filler balls. And all I'm going to do is just put a dot of hot glue on them and stick them on the tree. Easy peasy. I don't think I'm going to do any garland on them. I think just those red and gold styrofoam balls. And put some moss around the bottom or faux snow, I'm not sure yet. And that's done. So I'm having like a Christmas tree in every room of the house this year. Another option for the base of those small trees is to put it in one of these. Put some rocks in the bottom, just some weight, and just have it sitting on the shelf. Dollar Tree does sell these tree skirts as well. I think I'm going to use this on one and the tree collar on the other, because this little bucket, I'm actually going to use him for a gift basket. Maybe some hot cocoa or whatever. I did a gift basket video the other day, and I've got, once I do videos like that, I get so many more ideas on what to do on them. So honestly, I need to do another video, but we'll see how that works out. I found these pink ornaments at Dollar Tree last week. I can't do pink, okay? I've got so many boys in this house, I just don't do pink very often. But I decided one of my little trees that, you know, that goes with these tree skirts, I am going to do one of them pink. So I'm not going to subject them to a huge tree that we all have to decorate pink. I'll just have my own little pink tree. So they have all different colors of ornaments, that size, and every size really. I've showed you before that they have the great big ornaments. They have these. They have these to those and all the sizes in between. So super cute, super cute. A friend of mine sent me this. You might have seen in a different video. I absolutely love him. I think I'm going to make some burlap ornaments just using the Dollar Tree wood shapes, like the little wood ornaments, and their buffalo check cricket vinyl. So between the vinyl and those little ornaments, I think I can make a bunch of buffalo check. It won't be the fabric, obviously, but I could do the twine around the outside edge. I don't know yet. Corbin has been on me about letting him do another video with me. So let me know below if you want to see Corbin and I do another video, and maybe what you think it should be about. I thought about snow globes, I thought about Christmas trees, but Christmas trees is now out of the way. We do have more ornament ideas. Just give me some ideas on kid-friendly crafts that Corbin and I could do a video of, because obviously he's so bashful. Must be like his mother, very bashful. So he is actually mad at me because I'm doing a video right now and he's at school. So let me know below what you want me to do my next video on with my little guy, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.